Fake batteries. Now, every so often there will be a deal that's too good to believe, and it will be too good to believe. Fake batteries, you find a lot of them. There's good ways to find them, but there is a lot of good copies. Some of the key things to look for when you're looking at the batteries, the main thing is it's got to have the Makita logo name on it. The batteries that are not Makitas, if they had the name on, we could actually take it out of production straight away. So they tend to not put the Makita logo on. Now, the battery might look the same, but when you turn it over, we always emboss a star onto there. There's also a data scan coding on there so that you can see when the battery was actually produced. The vents are normally quite large on the top and the bottom, so that would be another key thing. And then if we turn the battery totally over, in the bottom of some of them, especially the new ones, they have the fixing screws. Now, if you look on this one, they're on the outer side. There's always a white plug. So that is another key thing, that if somebody gets a battery without the white plug in, then the battery has been taken to pieces. We won't accept any batteries back that's had that plug taken out, because the